Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to export your video from CapCut to your gallery. First, we will need to go to New Project to upload your video. After that, we will see that we are having our video in our gallery to be imported. So I'll already show you. Here we will have the video. Okay, and we'll just select it. After we select our video, we'll go to add this one, and we will see that it will be added in CapCut. The last thing you'll do is export, and there we have it, exporting without watermark. This project has been saved to the device and projects. So we already have it in CapCut and we have it in our device. Thank you for watching. If this video has helped you, please hit the like and subscribe button, and we will see you in our next video. Thank you.